Hey, Chip here. You might recognize this scenery from last week's short little uh, video. It's because I'm recording it back to back. No video again this week. It's New Year in a couple days, so spend time with your family. This week is just all about family, not about watching YouTube. So I hope you have a happy New Year. Remember, drink responsibly. Don't drink and drive. Uh, why ruin someone else's life besides yours? So anyway, I hope you had a Merry Christmas last week, and I hope you have a very happy New Year. Enjoy friends, family, get drunk off your ass. Just be responsible. Be ready for the fireworks. Happy New Year.